Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a routine booking pattern for a child. To do this, you're going to go to the child's details page and then click on the bookings tab. Please note, to be able to create bookings for a child, you need to ensure your user role access has the attribute for bookings either marked as create, full, or full and ignore settings. If you do have the setting for full and ignore settings, this will allow you to create bookings and override any of the system settings in place for your database. You're going to click here to add new CCS bookings. You're going to select the child's enrolment. Please take note of the enrolment to ensure you select the correct one. In particular, for those shared care scenarios or for when a child has more than one enrolment. For example, CWA, an OA, or even an RA or ACCS enrolment. Select the session cycle, whether it's weekly or fortnightly. In the update section, you're going to select future weeks. And you can select the bookings per day. Select the start date. This does not necessarily have to be the same start date as the enrolment. You need to ensure that you enter in an end date for the bookings. As you can see, it has a red mandatory field. And then you can select the room and the booking type in the drop-down field. And you can click Save. The end date determines how long that routine booking pattern will go for. You will notice the session indicator displays routine. This identifies that the child's routine booking pattern has been selected as a routine session. This is updated when a routine booking pattern has been selected for 4 weeks or more. This will also send a new enrolment 200D notice to CCS and to the Guardian's MyGov account. If the routine booking pattern is created for less than 4 weeks, the session indicator will display casual and no enrolment notice will be sent to CCS or to the Guardian's MyGov account. For further information on how to create a routine booking pattern for a child, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft customer success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.